In high-mix, low-volume manufacturing, often called HMLV, relying on manual soldering creates a severe bottleneck. Hand soldering inherently lacks the consistency and traceability required for modern quality control, leaving you with uneven joints and unpredictable thermal stress. Conversely, traditional wave soldering machines are completely impractical for small, varied production runs. They consume massive amounts of factory floor space and require vast energy reserves. Modern electronics manufacturing facilities require a middle ground. Operations need a bridge, a system offering the rapid adaptability of a human operator paired with the locked-in reliability of a mass production line. That middle ground is the Southern Machinery S-100 series. It is a completely offline, desktop-scale selective soldering system. Looking at the technical specifications table here, you can see exactly how compact the hardware is. The machine measures just 550 by 650 by 650 millimeters, proving it truly fits right on a standard workbench. This diagram maps out the machine's all-in-one anatomy. Within that small footprint, it houses a complete precision flexing system, a nitrogen preheater, and the main soldering unit. Due to this space-saving design, you can place the S-100 directly beside active surface mount lines, handling through-hole components without sacrificing any of the process control expected from a full-sized industrial setup. Managing that hardware requires an accessible control system. The S-100 runs on a familiar Windows-based operating system, removing the steep learning curve usually associated with programming industrial robotics. Here we see the visual programming interface. The operator scans a picture of the printed circuit board, dragging and dropping the soldering path directly over it. Precise parameters are then locked in and saved to a specific profile, guaranteeing perfect repeatability. By digitizing the pathing and thermal profiles offline, the system effectively neutralizes the main flaw of manual labor. The physical variance of a human hand is removed before the heat ever touches the board. The physical process begins with flux application, handled by a micro-precision ST6 jet valve. Instead of moving the spray head, the robotic arm manipulates the PCB over this fixed nozzle. It applies flux strictly to the required through-hole points, leaving the rest completely dry. Underneath, a heavy-duty stainless steel and polypropylene pressure tank regulates the fluid. This ensures the spray pressure remains perfectly constant, even as the 1-liter flux reservoir slowly empties. Targeting the flux only where needed, with constant mechanical pressure, drastically reduces total chemical consumption. It bypasses the massive waste footprint of traditional wave systems. Moving the board relies on a rigid XYZ motion platform driven by stepper motors and a vertical Z-axis servo. As highlighted in these specifications, the high-quality linear guides achieve a positioning and repeatability accuracy of exactly plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. Look at the clearance in this operational photo. Because the board position is micromanaged down to fractions of a millimeter, the system can solder through-hole components with a tiny 3 mm edge clearance, never once disturbing the delicate surface mount parts nearby. That heavy-duty mechanical articulation bridges the gap between software and hardware. It translates the perfect digital path drawn on screen into a flawless physical execution. At the core of the machine is the solder fountain itself. This is a highly durable titanium alloy pot holding an 8-kilogram capacity of liquid, lead-free compatible solder. Depending on the specific component leads, the fountain's wave height is fully adjustable between 0 and 8 millimeters. A PID control system dynamically monitors the external heating plate to keep that fluid dynamic perfectly balanced. To prevent oxidation, the S-100 integrates the specific nitrogen gas module with an active heating mechanism. This documentation details how preheating high-purity nitrogen gas to match the thermal environment significantly improves the metal's wettability while heavily reducing dross generation. By balancing the thermal load and the chemical purity of the nitrogen, the machine ensures the absolute structural integrity of every single joint it touches. All of these specialized subsystems, the visual pathing, the precision fluxing, the rigid robotics, and the shielded wave, operate seamlessly together. They form a closed-loop, highly efficient production node. This graphic illustrates exactly how this technology elevates a facility. It hits the 3 core standards of a smart factory: increasing placement quality, accelerating production speed, and aligning with a global manufacturing vision. By automating the notoriously difficult parts of the circuit board assembly, A facility can replace slow, error-prone manual labor with highly reliable, high-volume throughput. Ultimately, the S-100 series provides immense value because it drops right into a fast-paced electronics manufacturing environment, integrating effortlessly with existing equipment and generating immediate results with minimal downtime. Southern Machinery continues to build on the deeply tested manufacturing expertise native to Shenzhen, packaging that knowledge into robust hardware built for global EMS operations. If you are ready to eliminate through-hole bottlenecks and scale your facility, visit smtechhelp.com today. Let's optimize your production line and keep the line moving.